Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. In this video we are going to discuss about the steps for updating the software. To learn the process, keep watching the video till end. Sometimes due to some glitch in the system, the Update Manager is disabled. To activate the Logic Update Manager, right-click on the software icon and click on Open File Location. All the files that are required to configure software are present in this Logic folder. Open Updation folder. Search for Logic Update Manager from search bar. Right-click on the Logic Update Manager and click on Run as Administrator. To set it as default, right-click on the Logic Update Manager file and open Properties, then click on Compatibility. Tick to enable the option Run Program as an Administrator. Lastly, click on Apply to save the settings. Additionally, you can also set the user control for application also by right-clicking on the software icon and then go to Properties. Then click on Advanced. Tick to enable the option Run as Administrator and apply the changes. Logic Update Manager is accessible from taskbar. Now we will learn the steps to update the software. Open Update Manager and click on Options. To download the latest update, click on the blue icon. Click on Yes to confirm the option to download files from the server. Click on Yes to start the downloading of files. It will take a while to download the files from server. Then you will receive a message to confirm the installation of the downloaded files. Click on Yes. It will take 10 to 15 minutes for installing the files. After the files are installed, you will receive a message to run the database patches. Click on Yes to continue. Do not skip this step. It will take 5 to 10 minutes for the process to be completed. After the process is completed, you will receive a message for the same. Sometimes, while running the database patches, an error in attaching database is encountered. To resolve this issue, you need to exit the Logic Update Manager by right-clicking on the Logic Update Manager. Then, go to the file location of the software. Open Updation folder and run the Logic Update Manager file. Once the Logic Update Manager is activated, open the options and click on Run Database Patches. Click on Yes to confirm. It will take a while to run the patches. After the process is completed, a message will be prompted, which means that the database patches are successfully executed. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. For more software-related updates, hit the notification bell icon and subscribe to our channel.